Discover the power of intransitive phrasal verbs. Hello, language explorers. Today we're going to dive into an exciting topic in English language learning: intransitive phrasal verbs. This topic might sound a bit complex, but don't worry, we're going to demystify it together, step by step. Before we delve into intransitive phrasal verbs, let's quickly remind ourselves what phrasal verbs are. Phrasal verbs are combinations of words that feature a verb and one or more particles, which are usually prepositions or adverbs. They are unique in the sense that the meaning of a phrasal verb often differs from the meanings of its individual components. Let's take an example. Give up. Give and up have their own meanings, but when combined as a phrasal verb, give up means to quit or stop trying. Now, let's focus on intransitive phrasal verbs. Intransitive means that the verb does not take a direct object. In simpler terms, nothing is directly affected by the action of the verb. Examples of intransitive phrasal verbs include wake up, sit down, or show up. In these examples, the phrasal verbs do not need an object to make sense. Remember, intransitive phrasal verbs are self-sufficient. They don't need anything else to complete their meaning. Let's look at some examples to make it more clear. 1. Wake up. He wakes up at 7 a.m. every day. 2. Sit down. Please, sit down. 3. Show up. She didn't show up to the meeting. These sentences are complete and make sense without adding any more information. The actions, wake up, sit down, and show up, do not directly affect anything else in the sentence. That's it for today's lesson, language explorers. We hope this video helped you understand intransitive phrasal verbs better. Remember, the key to mastering these is practice. Try to use them in your day-to-day conversations. Until our next language adventure, keep learning and exploring.